Greetings, mathematicians. Here we have example 3. So we're given an inequality from a graph, and we need to write the inequality. Okay. So the easiest way to do this is determine what is the equation of the line, and then use the shading and along with the solid versus dashed line to determine what inequality you have. Okay. So I see on this graph, I know what the y-intercept is. So we have the y-intercept. Well, I'm going to use b. So we have the y-intercept is -5. And then I need to determine what is that slope, right? Well, I'm just looking for that rise over run, right? So I'm going, starting here, go down 1 over 1, right? So my slope is -1 divided by 1. Well, we know what that is. That's just equal to -1. So the equation of our line is y. And typically we would write that equals, but I'm not sure what that is yet. So let's go ahead and leave that off. So we have y is something to -1x minus 5. Okay? So I see we have this dashed line that's shaded above, meaning that we have greater than, and it's not equal to because we have that dashed line. So we have y is greater than -1x minus 5. You can write your answer like that. Or if you want a little bit cleaner, so we have y is greater than -x minus 5. Just like that. All right. And then here we have vertical and horizontal lines. So we're going to go ahead and graph the line x is less than -2. Okay. So all you need to do, the easiest way to think of this is look at your x and y coordinate, your axes, right? So this is your x-axis, and this is your y-axis. I'm going to go ahead and use the color blue for this line right here. So we have x is less than -2. So this means that I'm going along the x-axis. I'm going to -2, and I'm plotting a point. Okay? It's strictly less than, so we're going to go ahead and use a dashed line, a dashed vertical line going through that point on the x-axis. Make a line. And then we need to think about less than, right? So just think of this as a number line, right? We want numbers less than -2, meaning that we want to shade the left-hand side of this line. So let's go ahead and shade that region. So we have this, region right here. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and use the color red for this line right here. We need to graph the inequality. Y is less than or equal to 1. So again, go along the y-axis. We're going up to +1. Place your point. Look at your inequality signs. We have less than or equal to. So that means that we have a solid line. Okay. And then we're going to go ahead, right? Less than, that means that we're going below that line. So we're going to go ahead and use our highlighter to shade below that line to have this graph right here. Like that.